What's going on, everybody? It's Kevin again. Today we're going to be doing some breakfast flying with some friends. Lucky enough for me, we're going to be doing it here at the diner up at Southbridge Airport. I've heard really good things, haven't tried it yet, so I'm pretty excited to give that a go. And then after that, we're going to do hopefully some formation flying, as long as it's not so turbulent. If not, we'll keep it a nice loose formation. So stay tuned.
It is wicked good.
After I get the plane taken off.
This is the cool side of the table, by the way.
Can you hear it fine in that headset, by the way? There is a volume knob on your right side. Actually,
yeah,
left side.
it sounds fine.
Kevin, trying that frequency. 2275 is there. 275, copy, thank you.
Oh, I'm full on breakfast, that's for sure.
Oh, hell yeah.
That was good.
Very good.
That was really good. So if you guys have the chance, make sure you head on over to the Red Baron Diner here at Southbridge, 3 Bravo 0. Really good breakfast.
Traffic, I'll be turning final runway 2. It'll be a full stop, Southbridge.
There's 5 of us that went. We went during pretty quiet time, so we got our food right away.
10 miles to the south. Southbridge traffic, flight of 2, taking off runway 02. We're going to be straight out departure, Southbridge.
All right, Jackson, let's get the flying, buddy.
Yes, sir.
This is probably something you've never done before, some formation takeoffs.
Not at all. Looks fucking sweet.
I'm going. I'll be behind you here.
Alright, temperature's in the green, pressure's in the green. Airspeed's coming alive, we have a steady right crosswind here. And V1 rotate.
Southbridge traffic, flight of 2, just took off runway 02, about a mile here to the northeast of the airport. We're going to be departing straight out up to about 3,000 feet, Southbridge, last call. Okay, if you can swap over.
Sounds good. How do you hear me?
Loud and clear.
Perfect, I'm right off your left wing, about 500 feet back.
Copy that. You want to stay left or you want to swap right?
I'll stay left for now until we're up to altitude.
Roger. Alright, let's level out here 2,500 for this cloud layer until we can either get above it or just stay down here.
Roger, I'm at 2,000, still climbing. At least it's smoothed up a little bit over here.
You like about 100 miles an hour?
About 95 miles an hour.
95, that's right, you got it.
Alright, I'm chasing at 110 right now if you want to pull back a little bit.
I'm doing about 100, trying to slow down 95.
Perfect, thanks. I'll switch off your right wing now.
Copy.
I love playing around with people like this.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Ain't too bad up here at 2,500.
No, not at all. It's pretty nice. Oh, that's sick.
Absolutely perfect.
Especially with the quabbin.
Yep.
Jackson's getting a killer video of you over the quabbin right now.
Cool.
Smile for the camera.
Want to break off on it?
Yeah, come tuck in a little bit closer if you want, and then just you call the break.
Alright, I'm good, Kev.
Send it, buddy. Beautiful. Alright, I'm creeping in on your left wing here.
Alright, I'll try and hold her steady.
You want to start taking a right turn over the Quabbin again.
Copy, right turn.
Man, a good breakfast, a good formation flight with friends.
Oh yeah, gorgeous Saturday.
Oh yeah.
You want to start heading back towards Southbridge, or you want to keep going?
Yeah, we'll start heading back. I think that was good enough.
Alright, I'll rendezvous in your right wing.
Copy that. I'm starting a left turn. Alright, you're good.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. See ya.
Position, Kevin.
Creeping up on your back left here.
Yeah, I'm slowing down a little bit. I forgot you like to keep it slow.
I'm doing 120 catching up.
100, slowly dropping, 95.
Maintain 100 for me.
Copy. What side do you want me off of?
This side's fine, if you want to do the pull off.
Alright, copy that. Just let me know when I'm good.
You're good whenever you want to go.
Here we go.
See ya. Nice, nice. If you want to slide in on my left side, I'll let you take lead into the pattern.
Alright, copy that. I'll form up left side.
Yeah, what we'll do, Jackson, is we're going to enter the pattern together under the downwind. He's going to turn in on his base to final, and I'm going to extend my downwind to give him plenty of time to land, and then we'll be turning in.
Run fast up your left.
I got you in sight.
I'll sort of slow it up for you. I got Southbridge in sight.
Roger, we can switch over.
Yeah. Southbridge traffic, flight 2 is about 8 miles here to the northwest and down Centauri left downwind for runway 02 with Southbridge.
Southbridge traffic, that flight of 2 is on 45 left downwind runway 02 Southbridge, looking for that other traffic still.
Traffic, flight of 2 is breaking off. I'm currently turning left base for runway 02 and my partner is going to be extending his downwind slightly. For traffic, forward to 40 Whiskey November, clear runway 02, taxiing to the pump, Southbridge.
Southbridge traffic, try base, just clear the active taxi to the pump, Southbridge.